Ready, start. Thirdly, it was submitted that the defense highlighted material discrepancies between the statements of PW1 and PW7 regarding the weapons used and the role of the accused persons. PW7, one of the injured eyewitnesses, was in critical condition when his statement was recorded. The trial court observed that PW7 was not medically fit to give a coherent account at that time, undermining the reliability of his testimony. Thus, these inconsistencies should have prevented the High Court from relying on these witnesses. Lastly, it was submitted that the trial court had categorically held that there was no recovery from accused number 3 slash appellant number 1 and no evidence that he had assaulted anyone or even possessed a weapon. It found that the allegation that accused number 3 slash appellant number 1 held the deceased while others attacked was unsupported by evidence. Thus, learned counsel for the appellant number 1 and 2 contended that the trial court's acquittal was based on a sound appreciation of evidence and contradictions in witness statements. The High Court ignored these crucial findings and erred in convicting appellant number 1 and 2 without establishing their participation, intent, or the existence of an unlawful assembly. Therefore, the impugned judgment is liable to be set aside and appellant number 1 and 2 to be acquitted of all charges. Learned counsel for the appellant within bracket accused number 6 bracket close submitted that the evidence on record does not establish that appellant was a member of an unlawful assembly sharing a common object under section 149 of the IPC to commit murder. The prosecution itself admitted that appellant did not inflict any injury upon the deceased and the only allegation against him is of causing hurt to PW7. Consequently, the finding of guilt under section 302 read with section 149 of the IPC is unsustainable and the High Court erred in reversing the well-reasoned acquittal by the Sessions Court. The evidence at best may indicate participation in an incident resulting in hurt, but not in a premeditated murder committed in furtherance of a common object. It is further submitted that the incident in question occurred suddenly and without premeditation. The Sessions Court, after examining the evidence, found material omissions and contradictions regarding the alleged possession of knives and the role of appellant. These omissions in the FIR and the witnesses' admission that certain facts were not recorded clearly indicate that the alleged assault was a sudden incident concluding within a short time. Such circumstances negate any inference of a shared common object to commit murder. Moreover, appellant was not named in the FIR, which merely referred to unidentified pillion riders accompanying another accused on a motorcycle. The arrest and seizure proceedings are also doubtful as the punch witness turned hostile and the search of appellant's house was conducted even before his formal arrest, contrary to the procedure established under the CRPC. These irregularities severely undermine the credibility of the investigation and the prosecution's case. Further, the identification parade was conducted after an inordinate delay of 52 days.